Heroes, attention! Just 5 minutes of your life is all you need to make a difference. I will give you 10 ideas on what you can do within a small time frame, which will impact your life in a positive way. You're about to find out how small things can even make a huge impact in your life. Those ideas may seem trivial to some people, but have you actually done them before? No? Well, let's go. Idea number 1. Tell someone how much you appreciate them. Someone helped you out the other day? Well, send them a small message thanking that person again. That will not only make your day, but also his or hers. Idea number 2. Write down what you're thinking right now. Try to literally catch your thoughts. Write them down, however small or big they are, and reflect on them. This is a big part of understanding yourself and your thought processes. Idea number 3. Review your SMART goals. Are you still on track? Are there adjustments to make? Remember, if you want to achieve something and you don't know which road you have to go to, you will never get there. So make sure to stay on the correct lane. I have made a video on how to set SMART goals, by the way. You can check them out there. Idea number 4. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Idea number 5. Text someone you love or miss them. When was the last time you called your mom, for example? Did you tell her you love her? Or your best friend who is now studying abroad? Let them know they're a big part of your life and you are happy they exist. Number 6. Slow down and catch your breath. Contrary to the idea earlier to write down your thoughts, don't think of anything instead. Try clearing your head and focus on your breathing. There's so many things going on the whole day, right? So a 5-minute mental and physical break can work wonders. Sit down somewhere or lie down on your couch and then start relaxing from the top to the bottom. Are you frowning right now? Loosen that forehead up. Pay attention to your body and locate all those places which are tensed up and try to relax them. Just 5 minutes. Idea number 7. Enjoy the moment. That exact moment right now will never occur again. Realize that it is the present you're living in. Look outside the window. Did you just see that the bird flying past you? Yeah, this will never happen again. Idea number 8. Finally call the person you always wanted to contact, but you never had time to. Do you have that one person who you wanted to reach out to, but you never did because you were too busy? Writing a small text or making a short call can change a whole lot for you both. Idea number 9. Look at your hands. Yeah, I'm not kidding you. Just look at your hands and realize that those hands were the hands you used to build your whole life. Be proud of what you achieved. Realize it was yourself who made it this far. Your decisions and your actions have led you where you are right now, right? So be proud of what you have achieved and what will come in the future. Final idea for today: forgive someone you hold a grudge against. You don't have to directly get in contact with them, but allow yourself to forgive. Get rid of the negativity which comes along with it. This is a very important part of self-development. You let go of a grudge, but make room for something positive instead. Don't waste your lifetime and energy for something such as hate. Try one of those ideas next time you have a break or you have 5 minutes. Don't just watch this video and then never think of it again, but really try doing one of those. I guarantee you it will change your life. You only have one life, right? So a hero thing to do would to at least check off one of those ideas I've just presented you. I guess it's time for a level up. Do you have any other ideas which you can do within 5 minutes to make a change in your life? Let me know. Write down in the comments. That's it for today, heroes. Looking forward to seeing you again. Kangwon out.